Is eating healthy expensive in one of the most expensive countries in the world? At the end of the video, I'll share life hacks how to eat healthy without overspending. Over the past 4 years, the number of people with obesity was increased by 30%. According to the World Health Organization, 37% of Switzerland's population is overweight. For comparison, in the USA, the situation is much worse, with 32 and 8% of population being overweight, almost half of the country. But today, let's focus on Switzerland. Swiss cuisine are delicious, but not always healthy. Food here is a real challenge. Swiss cuisine is known of cheese-heavy dishes like fondue and raclettes. It's delicious, but not exactly healthy. Traditional Swiss food attains of the quite rich and fatty, featuring a variety of cheese and health meat. Many popular dishes are not about eating, but also about spending time with family and friends.
Raclette is the most famous cheese in Switzerland. It seems simple, but it's not like this. You can choose different cheese, for example, with Roquefort, or you can choose with truffle, it's my favorite, and also combine with different vegetables. For example, potatoes or broccoli, as I like, and bread or anything else. Or also that I like to put a small piece of meat or salami or speck, and also with shrimp. It's also very nice.
The melted cheese is poured over the base of boiled baby potatoes or bread, and then you can add your favorite toppings: broccoli, zucchini, mushrooms, pickles, or sun-dried tomatoes. Let's talk about protein, the most expensive ingredient. Meat in Switzerland isn't cheap. A chicken breast costs around $25 per kilo, but it's a high quality, tender, and free of toxins. Locally farmed Swiss chickens are free ranged, making them ever more expensive than imports. The same goes for free range eggs. Wool from cows that reach in Alpine mountains cost around $40 per kilo, but sweet meat is truly delicious. Dairy products are also top tier in Switzerland. Fish, on the other hand, is mostly imported and generally just okay. Let's talk about carbohydrates. In my opinion, most Swiss people eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. Bakeries are extremely popular, but I usually skip them. The only bread I buy is high protein crisp bread for my favorite toasts. I don't eat pasta often, but when I do, I go to the tech square including pasta with 30 grams of protein or Barillas lentil pasta. About fats, I want to add that butter in Switzerland is really very quality. Average weekly budget for healthy eating in Switzerland, depending on your diet, healthy eating for one person per week costs from $70 for $250 per week. Food in Switzerland is expensive, but quality often justifies the price. When I go shopping, I plan my purchases in advance, sometimes even making a list. This helps avoid impulsive emotional purchases, especially the unnecessary treats. Thanks to this approach, I enjoy Swiss cuisine while staying healthy, and the best part, I don't spend a lot. Now I'm convinced you can eat well everywhere, or even in the most expensive country in the world. Want to learn more about how to create a balanced diet and stay in shape without extreme diets? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for simple steps, real tips, and healthy recipes. Let's make healthy eating a table together.